As cities grow brighter, the line between day and night begins to fade. Artificial light at night, or ALAN, is turning natural spaces into places that never truly rest. For birds, darkness guides behavior, but constant light is disrupting that balance. To explore how artificial light affects birds, we turned our own campus into a research site. We selected 6 locations, 3 brightly lit experimental spots and 3 darker control areas with minimal artificial light. Our aim was simple: to observe whether light pollution alters bird activity, behavior and species presence. The study followed a structured routine over 4 days and 4 nights over our chosen 6 spots. It's 1 a.m. and we are at one of our brightest spots. While most of the campus is asleep, these lights remain on. We begin by measuring light intensity using a lux meter, which tells us exactly how bright this area is. Following the app instructions, we positioned the phone facing the light source. We took a screenshot once the numbers stabilized. Next, we record bird activity using the Merlin Bird ID app. It identifies species based on their calls. We do this for a stretch of about 10 minutes for every spot. Due to technological limitations, any bird not detected by the app is recorded manually in the field. We did the same for other 2 bright spots, measuring brightness using a lux meter and then recording the birds using sound and sight. We used the darkest campus area as controls, measuring light intensity using lux and bird presence using Merlin Bird ID. Just as in the brightly lit, these areas are not completely void of ALAN, but rather represent comparatively darker area with minimal artificial lights. We repeat the same observations at 6 a.m. when artificial lights are turned off and natural daylight begins. This allows us to compare unnatural nighttime activity with normal early morning behavior, helping us to identify patterns across both bright and dark locations. As the sun shines bright overhead, much brighter than the artificial lights, we observe no significant difference in lux levels between the bright and dark spots, as is logical. Also, as expected, there are a lot more birds and a lot more calls to record during our morning logs. Our study offers a small glimpse into a much larger global issue. By observing these patterns on our campus, we can better understand how urban environments impact wildlife. In a world that runs around the clock, preserving darkness may be more important than we think.